I want to tell you about the most expensive thing in most traders' accounts. It is not a bad strategy. It is not a bad broker. It is not bad luck. It is ego. And in the next 10 minutes, I am going to show you exactly how your ego is costing you money right now, and the exact system to remove it from every single trade you take.
Before I explain the psychology, let me ask you 3 quick questions. Have you ever held a losing trade way past your stop loss because some part of you just could not accept being wrong? Have you ever taken another trade immediately after a loss, not because the setup was there, but because you needed to get it back? Have you ever doubled your position size after a winning week and then blown everything on one bad trade? If you said yes to even one of those, stay right here. Because what I am about to show you will change how you trade permanently.
Here is how ego shows up in trading. You enter a trade. You have done your analysis. You are confident. The market moves against you. And here is where ego takes over. Instead of honoring your stop loss, you tell yourself, I know I am right. The market will turn. So you hold. The loss gets bigger. You add to the position to lower your average. The loss gets even bigger. And eventually you are forced out at a catastrophic level. Not because your original analysis was wrong, but because your ego could not accept being wrong early, when it was cheap.
There are 3 specific patterns where ego destroys trader accounts. Pattern 1. Holding losers too long. You cannot cut the trade, because cutting it means admitting you were wrong. So you hold, and what was a 1% loss becomes a 5% loss. Pattern 2. Revenge trading. You took a loss, and your ego says, get it back immediately. So you take another trade without a plan, and you lose again. Pattern 3. Sizing up on confidence. You had a winning week. Your ego says you have figured it out. So you double your position size. And one bad trade wipes everything you built. These 3 patterns together destroy more trading accounts than any market condition ever has.
Now, let me explain what is actually happening inside your brain when ego takes over, because this is where it gets really interesting. There is a concept in behavioral psychology called loss aversion. What it says is this: the pain of losing something is psychologically twice as powerful as the pleasure of gaining the same thing. So when your trade goes red, your brain does not process it logically. It processes it as a physical threat. The prefrontal cortex, where all your rational decisions live, goes quiet, and the amygdala, your fight or flight center, takes over completely. And the amygdala has one single message: do not accept this loss. Do not admit you were wrong. Fix this right now. That is not weakness. That is human biology. But knowing that, you can build systems to override it.
So what is the real difference between an ego trader and a system trader? An ego trader measures success by being right. A system trader measures success by following the process.
An ego trader holds losers because cutting them feels like failure. A system trader cuts losers because the stop loss was planned before the trade, and the plan is the authority. An ego trader sizes up after wins because confidence feels like edge. A system trader sizes the same on every trade because the process does not change just because they feel good. The shift from ego trading to system trading is not about being smarter. It is about removing the need to be right and replacing it with the commitment to be consistent.
Let me show you two traders. Same market. Same week. Completely different outcomes. Trader 1. Call him Marcus. Marcus is smart. He studies every evening. He knows technical analysis deeply. But Marcus has never examined his ego. Monday, he takes a loss. His ego immediately wants to recover it. So he takes 3 more trades that same afternoon without setups. Loses 2 of them. By Friday, Marcus has lost 18% of his account in 1 week. Not because the market was impossible, because his ego was making every single decision from the moment Monday's loss hit.
Trader 2. Call him Daniel. Not smarter than Marcus, not a better strategy, but Daniel has examined his ego and built systems to override it. Same Monday loss as Marcus. Daniel writes in his journal, valid loss, stop loss honored, system working correctly. Then he closes his charts for 30 minutes. Returns calm. Does not take another trade because his daily loss limit says 1 loss is his stop for the day. Tuesday, he waits for a valid setup, takes it, recovers half of Monday's loss cleanly. By Friday, Daniel is down only 1.2% for the week. Same market. The only difference was ego management. That is not fictional. That is the exact difference ego makes in real trading every single week.
Here is the exact 3-step system that removes ego from your trading. Step 1. Write your complete trade plan before you enter. Entry, stop loss, target, all defined before the candle moves. Once you enter, the plan is the authority, not your feelings, not your ego, not how confident you feel in that moment, the written plan. When you have this written before you click enter, you have created a contract with yourself. And when the market moves against you, instead of listening to ego, you look at the contract.
Step 2. Commit to your stop loss publicly before you enter. Write the exact price in your journal. Say it out loud. If this trade reaches this price, I am out. No exceptions. No moving it. Out. Public commitment, even to yourself on paper, activates a completely different psychological mechanism. than a private intention. When your stop is written and stated, ego has to fight your own written word to override it. That is a battle. Ego almost always loses.
Step 3. Journal every trade result. Without judgment. Not to beat yourself up. Not to celebrate. To observe. Write what happened. Write what you felt. Before. During. And after. Write what you would do differently. These 3 steps will not eliminate ego overnight. But over 30 days, they will change how you trade permanently. Ego grows in the dark, in the spaces where you refuse to look honestly at your own behavior. Journaling keeps those spaces permanently lit.
I want to leave you with one final thought. The market does not care how smart you are. It does not care how many hours you studied. It does not care how confident you feel about your analysis. The market rewards one thing only: the trader who follows a disciplined process with complete consistency. Your ego wants to be right. Your system wants to be profitable. You cannot fully have both. Choose one. The traders who choose the system always win long term. Drop a comment below right now. What is the most expensive ego decision you have ever made in trading? I read every single comment. And if this video changed something for you, hit subscribe and the bell icon so you never miss a video like this. I put out content exactly like this every single week. My name is Trader Mind Secrets, and I will see you in the next one.